Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Metrobank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. If you'd like to download the Metrobank application on your Android device, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. If you are not, try switching between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get started. After you're done, go to your Play Store and tap it on. Once you're in the search box type in Metrobank and search. From the search results displayed on the screen, click on this Metrobank option right here and you should see this kind of an interface. Tap the install button to begin the downloading process for your application. The application downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to have a strong internet connected to your device every time you try to download an application on your device. Once the application is downloaded, wait until it installs, and there you have downloaded Metrobank application, quick and easy. Tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Metrobank application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you found the video to be helpful. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.